And here's how to use clone stamp tool in Photoshop. So basically we use clone stamps tool to hide something in our photo. So we can see footsteps in sand. I'll show you how to hide these using clone stamp tool. So go to your tool panel and select the clone stamp tool, and the shortcut is S key. Once you select it, we have to take a sample first of all. So I'm selecting this part section by pressing the Alt key on my keyboard and clicking on here to select the sample. Once you selected the sample, now you can press press on first bracket on your keyboard to increase or decrease the size, and now just draw these footstep to hide just like this. I'm selecting this part as a sample and hiding this step. So that's how I'm hiding all of these footsteps just like this. So that's how you can actually use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop.